I get a feeling it's gonna be a riot.
So what is up, welcome again to another video of our 7-Eleven Trail Series 2026. And in this episode, we're learning about Godspeed. And we are already in the part na sobrang gaspag na namin, sobrang survival of the fittest na lang. And palakasan na lang talaga ng tiwala sa sarili. So, and now four riders kami nakataan dito, nagbabanatan, pero kasama ko dyan si RJ. And yeah, medyo mahirap tong part na to. And
Tara, sagad na natin tong apat to.
Sagad na natin tong apat hanggang finish line. Bale, 4-1, no? Siguro kung natuloy itong apat na group na to, 4-man group, no? Siguro ang saya na ito dun sa may finish line. Magre-remate yan tong apat na to, no? Pero wala, may mangyayari dyan na kung bakit hindi natin sila kasama.
Ito na yung last.
No? Abangan nyo na lang. Medyo malapit
Ay, buti
lang
naman nanilaw na.
According kay Garmin, yun na daw yung lost, pero tingnan nyo naman kung paano kami pahirapan. Meron pa yung mga yellow mark. Red is the hardest part. Hard climb, and yellow, moderate climb. Pero may ahon pa rin na ma-feel. Dito may nabuto kami mga rider, no? Grabe, nakakaawa na sila. No, ilang pulikat na ata yung nangyari sa kanila kaya nakatukod na lang sila dyan. Pero wala. Need nating diretsuin. Need natin matapos yung karera nang makaabot sa cut-off. Jay, okay lang yan. Kakanan tayo. Easy ka lang, ha?
Bakit?
Wala ko doon. Jaga.
Kapag kumaliwa ka dyan, karma ko na nalabas yan.
May bike sa ano mo.
Sige. Hoy, dalawa ng E. Ibig sabihin, mas mabilis na oras nila.
Tulad nga ng aking nasabi doon, lumagpas na yung E, wave E yun. So, dalawa na yung nakadaan na E. Tataka kami bakit walang D, no?
Thank you.
Pero siguro sila yung mga malalakas na rider talaga sa wave E, no? At tulin, mga bata, and fresh, no? Patuloy niyo yan, huwag kayo magbabasketball, ha? Itong part na to, grabe. Pakinggan nyo yung hinga ko. Pero mamaya, pagtapos nung part ng single track na semento, biglang, parang napakataas naman ng energy ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Dito, nahihingal ako. Pero, nung katabi ko na si RJ, no, napaka-hyper ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, no. Parang baliwala lahat ng pinagdaanan namin dito. Hindi naman ako nag-take ng gel neto, no? Magte-take ako mamaya pa sa 30k mark, no? Yan, mamaya abangan niyo na lang kung bakit.
Thank you. Finish line na yan, no?
Pinayaki doon na pinagtanungan namin. Finish line na yun, no? Sabi ko. Hindi niya alam yung sasagot niya kung oo ba o hindi. Pero, wala, biro lang yan, no? Kasi napaka-groggy na namin yan. Pero eto yung nasabi ko, napaka-hyper ko.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until
Haba
you
nun,
finally see.
16.
Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober,
They go right.
over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just
Sabi
to
sa
get
Carmen.
out of the home.
Shortcut nga yung left, eh.
I've had enough. I don't wanna feel the stuff under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear thoughts build up until I
Yes,
can't
thank you.
hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts
Right,
me
go right.
somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into
Good
a
morning.
creature, and it haunts me
Good morning.
somewhere much
I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Hyper.
really clear. Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep.
Oy,
Don't give a
lakaw.
fuck. Can't stop, unplug. Feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moving. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my
Thank you po.
mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to
Jay,
feel like the
take the lead.
inside for me. But
Mas mabilis ka.
real anxiety can foggy all this.
Mas mabilis ka sa Luzon. Pero ingat, ha. Safe lang, safe lang. Tatawid tayo cut off, safe tayo. Ah! 22! Yes, yes! Abot tayo! Maintain lang tayo ng power! Oo. Sa atin na to. Wala na yung mga korpo natin eh. Ah! Okay, okay. Copy. Safe lang, safe lang. Nice day, nice day. Traffic na? Ah, kala ko traffic na. Wala na to guys. Pagod na. Iba-iba nang naririnig. Yes, yes. Nice! Ganda! Yeah boy! Asan ka na? Amin na to! Mas maganda na yung ngayon kaysa yung nakaraan. Mas may thrill na. Ay, makakatuhog pa nga! Bitaw! Ah, sayang naman. Dito umulan kahapon. Go lang, go lang, go lang. Safe lang tayo, safe lang. Abot tayo cut off. Ay! O, 10. Sorry, sorry. May mga biglang ligaw ha. Mga biglang ligaw dito. Bakit? Saan? Bigla liko! Left tayo, left tayo! Tulak ka dyan sa baba, par. Out, 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 out. Ahon. Hoy!
And now we are approaching like another downhill section.
Ano?
And isa yun sa pinaka mahirap na lusong sa 7-Eleven place na ano.
12 to, 12.
Hindi siya technical dahil nature siya, pero very
Oh,
gnarly
overtake na yung overtake.
terrain. No? And yung daming ruts na malalalim gawa ng nadadaanan ng motorcycles, no? At this part, mahaba tong ahon na to, no? Hindi siya ramdam dyan kasi galing ka sa bulusok eh. Pero ito, dahan-dahan ka na itong papatayin kapag tumukod ka, no? Ang dami nag-grams dito, yung mga nasa ulan
Oy!
ko, tumigil yan. Malamang nakaramdam ng uligat yung mga yan, no? And eto na, yung mga ayaw magpadaan, no? And mali rin naman
Yeah,
pala
bike!
sila pumili ng
Thank you! Konti na lang.
sumala yung
Ay!
challenge nila. And, I mean,
Ayaw ko
hindi
na.
nakakapili agad ahead, no? Yun lang. Sinay ko lang.
Crazy yun. Sorry. Ha? Yes, sir. Ay!
And yeah, iwan ko muna kayo. Balagbagan na kasi ulit yan eh.
O, tabi, dyan si Macho Jordan Paul. Macho Jordan Paul. What is rats? Kapag taga silang ka. mamamatay na. Wala na. Ganun talaga.
At ito pa, pare. Grabe kung nakita nyo to sa personalan, nakapandinindig balahibo. No? Nabali siya.
Bali! Bali siya, naputol! Morning po! Rati! Left! Di tumitingin sa mapa. Ito
Ito
na.
na yung pinakamahirap
Yung mahirap na
na
downhill.
descent, no? Yung Pineda Trail. And
Jay ah.
yun na, nagbubulungan, nagsasabihan na kami dito
Yung roots.
ni RJ na ingat sa bawat isa, no? Delikado kasi, very gnarly tong section na to.
Okay ka na? Godspeed! Yan na yan, Jay! Safe ka! Yes, sir! Here we go! Ito na yung pinaka-nakakatakot. Layo ka lang! Baka bumalentong ako! Sigaw lang, no? Ay! Tight left! Hoy, pang UCI yan, par! Bail out! Wala yun, tutumba ako! Hoy, ano yun?
Yeah, that was it. Yun na yung nagkabalentong ako. And wala, ganun talaga eh. Kasama sa laro yun. And thank you Lord, safe tayo. Hindi tayo natutol. Again, thank you. And ayun, medyo nakakatuwa yung section na yan kasi yung track fit talagang tatakot ako dyan pare. Pero ewan ko, naka-anchor ko sa race day mismo. ang bilis nga actually. Hindi siya yung mabilis, pero yung presence of mind ko andun talaga eh. Parang ewan ko kung reflex na lang ba. Teka lang wala pa namang sapot na lumalabas sa akin. Pero siguro reflex na lang siguro yun, no? Para safe na mabilis. Yun.
Safe ba to? Thank you, bossing. Thanks, man. Jay! Saan ka pa? Pineda climb. Yep.
And eto na rin yung Pineda climb. Ito yung pinakamahirap na ahon sa Pineda, no? Lumabas sa Garmin ko dito yung grade niya is lumabas na tumataginting na 32 32%, no? Kaya makikita nyo dyan kung bakit 32 and bakit ako, alam yun na, napatukod. Lasparg.
Aray ko! Ayaw na.
Sorry, idol. Fuck. Shit. Yung kanta saging sa likod ko. Saging sa likod ko.
Ah?
Saging.
Di, okay. Okay lang. Hindi ko lang kaya talaga. Matarik talaga. Hindi ko kaya. Sige, par. Bike sa likod mo, Jay. Hindi ko kaya. Baka umangat. Ano yung Makate?
I get a feeling it's gonna be a riot.